in elementary school, the space program was a big deal. And so we were always watching the shuttles lift off on television during school hours. And so I wanted to be an astronaut. Like that seed was set that I was like, ooh, what a fun thing to do, fun thing to be a part of. And when I shared that with teachers, when people would ask me, what do you want to be when you grow up? They suggested that if you want to be an astronaut, you should consider engineering. I guess that's how I kind of got into the engineering world.
I feel like I kind of grew up with a family of engineers. My dad was always trying to make things work out of the things he had. And then my siblings and I were always trying to build tree houses all summer long. We were trying to build go-karts, build a swimming pool because our parents wouldn't buy us a swimming pool for some reason. And so we just got creative as kids, and we built with Legos and help constructed things. So it was always fun. And I think I just love helping people, and I like solving problems. So I think it was just a natural fit for me.
There's so many opportunities, whether it's chemical, mechanical, electrical, computer science and engineering. There's just so many different avenues. And I think that not exploring them is a disservice to young people.
You're graduated with the exact same degree. We all went through the exact same schooling and took the exact same test to get our license, but I wouldn't even know how to open a file that the water division was working on, or the structure division was working on. So the paths to go down are endless.
I think have confidence. I think that's one thing that a lot of new engineers, and granted, you don't really know what you're doing when you first start. And I know that was something that I kind of struggled with a little bit, but I think having that confidence to be like, okay, I did the calculations, I ran the scenarios, and I think this is really what it should be. And then just asking a lot of questions. I think that's kind of really how I learned as much as I did.
Don't be afraid to ask questions when you have questions, because I think my supervisor, my project manager, they all they like working with me because I keep asking questions and I keep our project moving forward in the right direction. And yes, like I make mistake, everybody make mistake, and don't be afraid. You just need to be ready to correct yourself sometimes. Yeah, and if you don't understand anything, just go ask. Don't be worried.
I think HR Green does it right. They really have it going on as far as diversity in the workplace and women in engineering. And HR Green does a great job of promoting women, not just promoting them up, but making them viable, partners in the workforce. And I think that's a really great thing.